Do you want to boost your brand's visibility online? Social media can help. In this video, we'll show you how to create a successful social media marketing strategy. In today's digital age, having a solid plan is crucial. With so many platforms, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Let's break it down into actionable steps. First, define your goals. What do you want to achieve? Increase brand awareness. Drive website traffic. More leads. Write these down. Next, know your audience. Who are you targeting? Research their demographics, interests, and behaviors. Create buyer personas to help you visualize them. Now, choose your platforms wisely. Each social media platform has unique traits. Is your audience on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn? Focus your efforts where they are. Create engaging content. Use visuals, videos, and stories. Aim for value and entertainment. This keeps your audience interested and drives engagement. Establish a posting schedule. Consistency is key. Use tools to automate posts and track performance. This helps you stay organized and save time. Analyze your results regularly. Look at engagement metrics and follow a growth. This data reveals what's working and what needs adjustment. For example, if Instagram is generating more leads, allocate more resources there. Shift strategies based on what your audience prefers. Remember to interact with your audience. Respond to comments and messages. Building relationships fosters loyalty and trust. In summary, define your goals and know your audience. Choose the right platforms and create engaging content. Maintain consistency and analyze your results. Start crafting your social media strategy today. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. Your online success begins now.